Hi, this is Chris Escato with Salamander Designs, and we're here at CEDIA 2023. And here we have one of our cabinets that is set up with a commercial display mount. So this mount is actually UL listed to hold up to a 400-pound display without even touching a wall. We also have cabinets that are 12 inches deep that can hold the same amount of weight with just drywall anchors. If you go to salamandercommercial.com, you can see our cabinet designer where you can go and you can design a commercial cabinet either with no display mount or it can support from a 50-inch display all the way up to dual 100-inch displays. So inside here, we have optioned it out. Over here, you can see that there is a refrigerator. So we have a refrigerator in here. We have additional storage options in this bay, including a pull-out shelf. We have trash recycling bins over here. And then in the last bay, we have a pull-out rack. So this rack will pull completely out. It's on casters. It just tips right out, and you have 360-degree access to that. Now, just to point out something else with this mount here. So this is what we call the modesty panel. This whole mount is connected to the cabinet. And again, does not need to even touch the wall. This modesty panel behind here is where all the wires and connectivity would go up. And then over here, we have a Jabra speaker that is on our speaker bracket. So it makes installing a meeting space very easy, quick, and adaptable to any sort of new technology or simply moving this to another room or another building when that time comes. If you'd like to know more about Salamander Commercial products, go to salamandercommercial.com.